Are you doing all the manifestation techniques, affirmations, scripting, vision boards, but nothing's working? You're not alone. If you've ever wondered why your dreams aren't showing up, this video is going to change the way you manifest, forever. What's really stopping your manifestation success? Here's the truth most people won't tell you. Manifestation isn't just about thinking positively. It's about clearing the blocks you don't even know you have. And in the next few minutes, we're going to uncover the 3 biggest reasons your manifestations aren't showing up, and how to finally turn it all around. The silent saboteur. Subconscious beliefs. You can say all the affirmations you want. I am wealthy, I attract love, I am successful. But if your subconscious is saying, I don't deserve this, guess what wins? Your subconscious beliefs drive 95% of your behavior. If you picked up scarcity from childhood, rejection from heartbreaks, or failure from past mistakes, you might be energetically rejecting the very thing you want. We learn a lot of negative thoughts when we were young. Our minds at that age absorbs every thought. I used to repeat, I am abundant, every morning. But deep down, I believed money was hard to get. Until I did deep work, journaling, shadow work, inner child healing, nothing changed. Once I rewired that core belief, everything shifted. Manifesting from lack. Here's the second block. You're manifesting from the wrong energy, lack, need, or desperation. I need love. I hope this money comes. When will it finally happen? That energy says, I don't have it. And the universe mirrors that back. Switch the energy. Manifest from certainty and alignment. Love is finding me now. Money flows to me with ease. My desires are inevitable. Quick tip. After you set the intention, let go. Trust. Live like it's already on the way. Lack of aligned action. Let's be real. You can't just sit on your couch and expect your dream life to knock on the door. Manifestation equals intention plus energy plus action. If you want to be a successful content creator but never post, if you want a soulmate but never leave the house or open your heart, you're telling the universe, I'm not ready. Take micro steps. Apply for the job. Message the person. Start the project. When you act in alignment with your desires, the universe meets you halfway. When you see yourself doing and being what you want, you become what you want. Here's what's probably blocking your manifestation. Hidden limiting beliefs. Desperation or lack energy. No aligned action. Clear these, and you'll go from waiting to receiving. If this resonated, drop a "I'm ready" in the comments. And if you want a deeper dive, please comment on what you are trying to manifest. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear this today. Remember, you don't have to chase what's already yours, you just have to align with it. Thanks for watching.